It all began with a simple question. Could I turn just $10 into something more through trading? I set myself a challenge. Start with $10, make my own decisions, and see what happens. The goal wasn't to get rich, but to learn and share the journey, mistakes, and all. I wanted to see if trading was luck, or if a bit of strategy could help a small fry like me. With my notebook and a cup of tea, I set out to demystify the stock market. I'd focus on small, overlooked companies. No big names, just underdogs. My plan: document every step, be honest, and see if patience and strategy could grow my tiny account. So, with $10 loaded up, my little financial adventure began. You can't just dive in, so I needed a plan. I skipped the expensive, flashy stocks and hunted for value. Small companies selling for less than their assets were worth. My main tool? The price-to-book ratio. If a stock was cheaper than its assets, it was a bargain. I stuck to industries I understood, like food or packaging, and avoided anything too complex. If I couldn't explain a company in one sentence, I passed. No panic selling, markets bounce, but I'd trust my research and hold steady. My approach was slow and steady, focused on safety and patience. I wasn't chasing quick wins, just planting seeds and waiting for them to grow. With my plan set, I was ready to pick my first stock. My first trade was nerve-wracking. I bought 9 shares of a small packaging company, Box-A-Lot, for just under $1 each. At first, the price wobbled and I checked my account constantly, riding a roller coaster of tiny gains and losses. Then, Box-A-Lot landed a new contract and my shares jumped to $11.50. I sold for a tidy profit. Emboldened, I tried again with a food company, let's call it Piella's Pies. But this time, the stock drifted down. I sold at a small loss, my earlier profit gone. It was a humbling reminder, not every idea works out, even with a plan. Still, I stuck to my rules: take small profits, cut small losses, and keep learning. Each trade, win or lose, taught me something new. The key was discipline, not chasing every shiny opportunity. I was still in the game, and the adventure continued. After a few trades, I realized trading is a mix of strategy and luck. My research got me into sensible companies, but luck, like surprise news, often decided the outcome. Box-A-Lot's jump was lucky timing. Piella's Pies fizzled for no clear reason. Strategy is your safety net, protecting you from big losses. But luck is the unpredictable tide. You can't control luck, but you can control your approach. My plan wasn't about huge wins, but about surviving the rough patches. A good strategy keeps you afloat until luck turns your way. In trading, you need both: a sturdy boat and the patience to wait for a good tide. After a few more trades, my experiment ended with $12.75, a 2.75 profit, or a 27.5% return. More important than the money were the lessons. Strategy is essential, luck is real, and discipline matters. My value approach protected my small capital and gave me confidence in every decision. Trading with just $10 forced me to be patient and careful. Every penny counted. You don't need a fortune to learn about the market. Starting small is the best teacher. Strategy won't guarantee every trade, but it keeps you in the game long enough for luck to help. My $10 challenge was a success, not for the profit but for the knowledge gained. With a bit of thought and a solid plan, even a small-time trader can navigate the big world of finance.